Yes, sir, man. What they do, man. It's your boy TJ Too Smooth. And as you can see, we got the cooking setup going. Tonight we are making steaks. We're making some ribeye. I went ahead and basically beat the shit out of this meat. Pause. I basically just tenderized the steak. You know, I put a piece of plastic wrap over them. I just boom, boom, pounded them. A lot of people like to cook with tenderizer. I can't cook with tenderizer, man. I'm not doing that shit. I'm not putting a bunch of tenderizer enzymes on top of my food that's making it softer and then ingesting that food, eating that. So I'm ingesting the enzymes. It just doesn't sit right with me. It makes me feel like the enzymes are gonna work on my stomach. So yeah, no. But anyway, let's make these steaks. TJ Too Smooth. Let's start. If you wonder where Zeke is, this is Zeke right here. He's just chilling. What's up, big boy? You stay in your spot. You good? Good boy. Zeke is such a good boy. Zeke has been doing so well for me ever since I got him. And I'm just grateful to have such a obedient young dog. He's been doing really, really well when it comes to the potty training. He's had a few accidents, but not many. We have a system going, and I'll make a video about how to potty train your puppy. But I'm doing really, really good with the potty training, and Zeke is cooperating well. Okay, so there's no such thing as perfect, but this is the best way I know to season a steak. So I've already put some ground black pepper on top of these steaks, but we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna add in some Chipotle cheese sauce by Taco Bell. See, this is my take on steak. There needs to be some type of moisture that you're adding onto your dry rub. Me personally, I've used ranch. I've used this Taco Bell cheese sauce. I've used buffalo sauce. I've used Frank Hot's sauce. And then I put the seasoning on top of that. Then I rub it in. But I feel like that moisture, that added moisture, soaks into the meat and it just doesn't make it as tough. When you're cooking steaks often, you know what I'm talking about. When you're cooking steak a lot indoors, you're not on the grill, you know what I'm talking about. You gotta baste it, not just dry rub it. You gotta baste it. You can't just dry season it. And as you can tell, I use this a lot. I like to put it on my quesadillas when I make those. I gotta show y'all my quesadilla recipe. Honestly, if you're seeing this on my regular channel, then I actually have a fitness channel and I'm gonna link it below in the description. And I show you guys how you can shop and bulk on a budget. So basically you're buying a whole lot of food to cook for yourself and eat throughout the week. And you're only spending about $70 to do it per week. So you need to check that video out. And I might just upload it on this channel for you guys too, if you're watching this over on my regular channel. If you're seeing this on my fitness channel, you're in the right place. Damn, y'all, I hope y'all heard what I said. I think my microphone shut off. The microphone or the receiver shut off. I gotta charge these. But what I said was, I haven't really used my seasoning much. I've had this seasoning for a long time. I've even had like friends and family friends use this on their food, and I went and had to go get my seasoning back. This year I'm taking cooking for myself more seriously. And now, by the way, the audio has changed because take a look at this. You see that blinking? Yeah, the audio receiver is dead, y'all. It is what it is. Audio is gonna be good regardless. Now let's flip these steaks and season the other side. Oh, matter of fact, I'm still not done. All right, we got that onion powder. We got that garlic powder. I'm gonna season these up and then I'm gonna throw them on, not the grill, the pan. We have our steaks seasoned up, both of them. And that looks beautiful if you ask me. You can just see all of the different flavors that are gonna pop through that. And usually beef overpowers all kinds of flavors anyway. And that's why we season it up really, really well. We don't add a whole lot of salt on it, but we make sure that we do season it well. I'm gonna start my steak and then I'm gonna do my rice. But my pan, y'all, is hot as hell. Check me out. We're adding butter to the pan. We're gonna lay that ribeye down for 4 minutes. Boom. I already poked some holes in it. We're gonna lay that baby down. Alexa, give me a 4-minute timer.
4 minutes. Starting now.
See y'all in 4 minutes. Alexa, stop timer. Put some butter right in the middle of that thing. On. There. Boom. Charred up. Almost blackened that motherfucker. Alexa, 3-minute timer.
3 minutes. Starting now.
All right, y'all. So look, my favorite thing to buy when it comes to frozen vegetables is the Walmart stir-fry blend, bro. They've got broccoli, green beans, carrots, peppers, cauliflower, all in one. Mushrooms, and they even have these right here, which is just all peppers and onions. And they got another one, the deluxe stir-fry. Right? I happened to get to Walmart when they were restocking, and I bought one of each. Usually these are gone by the time you get to the frozen section. So I'm glad I got me some, and we're gonna throw these on the pan. Let's go. All right, y'all. Alexa, stop timer. I'm a little bit ahead of my timer every time because I know what I like. I know what I want. Look at the smoke coming off of that thing. And that right there is a stove top steak. Now let's do it a second time. And if you're wondering why I like to cover it in foil, it's so that the meat can finish on its own. So any part in the middle that wasn't quote unquote fully cooked, it will be in the next 5 minutes. I get all of that burn, all of that char off the grill or off of my pan, and I give my next steak every chance at connecting with the pan. Boom. Let's cook our second steak. All right, y'all, so check it out. I like to get in there and really wipe that off because like I said, that second steak has to have every chance at the heat. So we're gonna give it every chance at the heat. I also need to open up a window in this motherfucker, man. It's smoky. But let's add in that butter. That's what you want. You want your butter to hop on the pan and not burn immediately. I watched some dude on YouTube. He put some butter on the pan, the butter immediately turned black. Like, damn, dude. You're supposed to cook on high heat, but it's not supposed to just burn everything immediately. So here we go. Oh yeah, this is the thick one right here. Drop that down on that butter and let that sizzle. And I'll see y'all in 4 minutes. But yeah, if this ain't beautiful, I've never seen it beautiful. You got the jasmine rice, you got a ribeye steak, mixed veg. This is gonna be delicioso. Now I'm gonna do something I don't normally do. I'm gonna throw the rice in with my vegetables. We got all of that moisture soak up together. Somebody in the comments would call this fried rice, but I haven't added any oil, so it's really not fried. oil, no butter. It's just rice, vegetables. Now what I will add to this is lime juice. Put some lime in that thing. Stir it up. Take it out that heat. Wow, that smells so good. Shout out to Chipotle. They make some damn good rice. Put a little bit of Celtic sea salt over this. This will be split over about 3 days. Now the stove is still hot. This is what it looks like. 4 minutes on each side. Thin ribeye. 4 minutes each side. Let it finish under the foil. It's all the way through. It's good. Believe that. Boom, baby. There you have it. Look at the smoke coming off of that meal. You got it well done ribeye, jasmine rice, mixed vegetables, and lime juice, seasoned with Celtic sea salt, pepper, and you guys saw what I basted the steak with. This is about to be so good. Like I said, I might eat both of these steaks tonight. I don't even know, man. I'm fucking hungry. But we'll see. So anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Check that like button out, man. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Talk to me in the comments. Let me know if did I cook my steak too much? Do y'all like medium well, medium rare? And if you say, oh nah, you overcooked it. Okay, so you tell me, how do I make a medium well steak on the stove? How long on each side do I need to cook it? And I know it depends on the thickness of the steak. This ain't my first time cooking, y'all. Anyway, comment down below, talk to me. It's your boy TJ Too Smooth. I'm gone.